Hey, guys, today, let's try to create our own talking AI avatar for free. So, if you guys would like to go ahead and create your own talking AI avatar, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys, step by step, just how to do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and basically access a website called Synthesia. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick search of this specific website. Just go ahead and follow as long as I do this, and I'm going to just go ahead and search for synthesia.io. Now, this is basically one of the leading websites we could actually use to create our own free AI video. All we need to do from here is to go ahead and tap on this big blue button to create our free AI video. And then from here, you may basically now choose a video template first. We do have three, which is the Synthesia demo, sales pitch, and the compliment. Well, so whichever one you choose is gonna be up to you. And this is gonna choose maybe compliment. And then from here, I'd like to go ahead and edit the specific script to be used. You can also use any language that you prefer. Now, in this case, just tap on generate free AI video, and you need to go in and just do a quick log in, or well, enter your necessary details like your name, your last name, your email as well, and how you heard about Synthesia. Now go ahead and confirm that you're not a robot, and also confirm to their terms of service and privacy policy, and then tap on generate free video, and then basically wait for this to load. And once it is all done, you may now see your video on your email, ready for you to use. That is all for this video guys, and that's how you could quickly use Synthesia to create your own talking AI avatar. I think it was. For watching, please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys have learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.